welcome to my channel. Here we explore fascinating topics that inspire personal growth and well being. Today, we delve into the timeless wisdom of Vedic culture and how youngsters can benefit from embracing its principles. Let's jump right in. The Vedic culture, originating from ancient India, offers a treasure trove of knowledge that has stood the test of time. Its teachings encompass various aspects of life, from personal development to harmonious relationship and spiritual growth. One of the key benefits of following Vedic culture is the emphasis on a holistic lifestyle. Youngsters can benefit from adopting practices such as yoga, meditation, and Ayurveda, which promote physical and mental well being. These practices help reduce stress, increase focus, and foster a sense of inner peace. It places a great importance on values and ethics. By integrating these principles into their lives, youngsters can develop a strong moral compass, guiding them towards making ethical choices. Concepts like honesty, respect, and compassion lay the foundation for a more harmonious society. In a world facing numerous environmental challenges, Vedic culture encourages a deep connection with nature. By following eco-friendly practices such as sustainable living, organic farming, and conservation, youngsters can contribute to a greener and healthier planet. Vedic culture offers a universal approach to spirituality, allowing youngsters to explore their spiritual side, irrespective of their background or beliefs, through practices like meditation and self reflection. They can cultivate a sense of inner exploration, find meaning in life, and develop a deeper connection with the world around them. In a fast paced digital age, Vedic culture teaches youngsters the importance of mindfulness and awareness. By practicing mindfulness techniques and embracing the present moment, they can enhance their focus, reduce anxiety, and lead more fulfilling lives. As we conclude in this video, we hope you have gained insights to the benefits of embracing Vedic culture as a youngster. By incorporating its principles into your life, you can experience personal growth, well being, and a profound connection with the world. Remember, it's not about abandoning modernity, but rather integrating ancient wisdom into our lives for a balanced and a harmonious existence. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking videos. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, and embrace a wisdom that of the ages and keep exploring. Have a great day ahead.